everybody, what's happening, troops? Me, Stevie, the military biker. Another video for you. Oh my good Christ, Lordy God, fuck. Look at that! Oh my good Lord. Sorry for blaspheming, guys, but that right there is just spectacular, hey? Spectacular. Anyway, run that intro and I'll tell you exactly what the video's about today. I always shout, I feel like I'm shouting into this bloody mic for whatever reason because I'm going so fast. But anyway, today's video is all about one of my best mates, Paul, who's a paramedic in Calgary. Does some amazing things, a first responder in Calgary, ex-British Forces veteran as well, same regiment as me, and I've known the lad for 20 years. And he, like I say, he's a really good friend of mine, probably one of our best mates. Anyway, today we're taking a little ride out to the mountains again to see his Mini. He's been working on this Mini, an original Mini from the UK for roughly about 10 years now, and he's finally got it up and running, and this is probably the furthest he's drove out. He had a little bit of an issue last night with the fuel pump, but that's all rectified now, hopefully. So yeah, so we're going to go check out Paul's Mini. For those of you who don't know what a Mini is, you're about to find out. An original Mini, not your BMW shit, an original Mini, Rover Austin Mini.
Alright guys and girls, my name's Paul, paramedic in Calgary, veteran of Scotch DGs, British Army, and this is my little Frankenstein Mini. The reason I call it a Frankenstein Mini is it is a 94 on the registration, but it's got a 82 engine which I've completely ported out, and it's quite rapido now for a Mini. Everything else on it's basically brand new from the ground up, all brand new suspension, all brand new subframes, brand new seats, all interiors brand new. As you can see, I completely graded out. It used to have a flag on the top, but I just couldn't do it anymore. So basically, when we go through the Mini itself, it's got the super lights on it, which are the widest wheels you can get on the Mini. On the back, we've got the cleared out lights, which I like. I know a lot of people like it. Also chromed up the lights itself as well, and then the nice little trunk, or yeah, basically trunk over here. So I'm going to keep on calling it a trunk. Dual exhausts out the back, much nicer than the one. I'm not a big fan of the one single. Chromed everything up, as you can see. I think it looks a lot nicer. Itself, nice speckled paint, which I'm a little bit better. It used to be black, and I put the bullet mirrors on, which I think is a lot nicer than what it used to be. On the front, you can see that I went for the old Monte Carlo look with the huge lights. So basically the four huge rally lights on the front. I know they're obnoxious, but I'm a big fan. Went with the old school 12 spindle grill on the front, so it gets a little bit more air in the front, because it does get hot when it's over here. Have got it lowered, which poses a lot of issues over in Canada, but I really like it. I'm going to show you the engine bay. Yeah, so with the engine bay, you can see it's a little bit on a shadow, but basically built the engine from ground up. The whole car's been actually sandblasted right down to bare metal, and I've rebuilt it. Engine, like I said, it's ported out, head's ported out, and it's got a nice old school carb on it. Definitely goes quick. Struggles a little bit with the heat over here compared to England, but apart from that, like it's absolutely fantastic. And people ask me why I picked the Mini over all the big huge Chargers and all the big huge muscle cars. All the cars I've ever drove in my life, this has easily been the best car I've ever drove. It's one of the funnest cars, and the best thing about Minis, definitely if you're from England, everybody has a story about a Mini. So yeah, this is my little guy, and his nickname's actually Massive, which is awesome. So there you go. So this is the inside of Massive. So basically completely changed the whole interior, redid the whole top of the dash itself. The dash is actually water dipped by my friend Scouse there. Got it actually water dipped, and it looks fantastic for what it is. It's got all pistons and everything in it, so I really like it. Went with the old school steering wheel, what was actually from the original Mini. A lot of people put racing steering wheels on, but I actually quite like the normal steering wheel. The seats are actually out of a Mustang, but I actually got them redone to actually match like an old racing 70s Mini, with all of the sides for the seats as well, for the doors as well. Got all the chrome handles, and then got the side door panels to match the seats as well. All the carpets are brand new, everything's brand new. The side headline is all brand new. It's definitely been a love-hate relationship, but it's finally done, and I'm really happy with it up to now, so that's good. I'm really happy, and it actually fits in nice in Canada and in the Calgary Mountains.
So there you have it, guys. That right there is an original 1994 Austin Mini?
Austin Mini, yeah.
Austin Mini, all the way from the UK. The reason it's called a Mini, obviously, is because it's Mini. And when you got a geezer who's 6'2", 6'3", trying to sit in it, as you saw, there's no problems with that at all. None of your BMW shit here. Actual proper British born equipment from the UK, obviously. So yeah, so thanks to Paul, obviously, for showing me around his wicked Mini. And again, he's a first responder, an EMT in Calgary, and again, he's a British Army veteran, same regiment as me, hence why I've known the bloke for 20 odd years. And again, like I said at the beginning of the video, one of my best mates. So guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today with Paul's Mini out in the Rocky Mountains again. So thanks very much for watching. Ride safe, stay safe wherever you are around the world, and remember, you'll never walk alone.
Thanks guys.